In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Woocommerce test mode. By the end, you'll be able to safely trial your checkout without charging real cards or sending live payouts, which is essential before launching your store. First, open your WordPress website and head into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Woocommerce, then choose Settings. In the Settings area, go to the Payments tab. This page lists every payment method you have available or enabled. Things like Stripe, PayPal, bank transfer, or any other gateways you've installed. Pick the specific payment method you want to test. Click on it to open its configuration screen. Inside, look for the advanced controls. Click. See Advanced Options. Depending on the gateway, this area might be labeled Advanced, Additional Options, or similar, but the idea is the same. You're opening the section where test settings live. Now, enable Sandbox mode, sometimes called Test mode. Turning this on tells Woocommerce and your payment provider to simulate transactions instead of processing real money. It's perfect for confirming your checkout flow, fees, and order statuses without risk. With Sandbox enabled, connect your account as prompted. The connection flow varies by provider, but you'll typically follow the on-screen steps to link the test environment. Stay within the Woocommerce screen and complete whatever connection the gateway requests in test mode. If the gateway shows any fields or prompts specific to testing, make sure you use the test environment options and not your live ones. Once connected, your store is ready to run trial checkouts. You can now walk through your checkout like a customer, and your orders will be recorded as test transactions. This lets you confirm things like tax calculations, shipping choices, confirmation emails, and order notes, all without affecting real balances. Look for indicators in the gateway settings or order notes that clearly say Test or Sandbox, so you're always sure you're not processing live payments. A couple of quick tips to make testing smoother. If you're using any caching on your site, clear it after turning on test mode so your settings take effect immediately. Also, keep your browser's autofill in mind. Make sure any sample details you enter are intended for testing. And remember, never use actual card or bank information when Sandbox mode is on. When you're satisfied with your results and ready to accept real payments, simply return to the same payment method settings, turn off Sandbox mode, reconnect to the live environment if prompted, and you're good to go.